Now I am going to tell you how to find out the SCF. SCF means highest common factor by using prime factorization method. Okay, so here is one example. Find the SCF of 140, 170 and 30 by prime factorization method. So the first step is you have to factorize the numbers, means you have to find out the factors of the given numbers. So how you will find out the factors? By using prime factorization. First we will start from 2. So this number you have to divide by 2. So when you will divide it by 2, 2 sevens are 14, then 0. Okay, then again this number is divisible by 2. For doing the prime factorization, you must know the divisibility rules. I have already told you the divisibility rules, so keep those divisibility rules in your mind. Now this number is again divisible by 2. Now 2 you will write here. Now 2 3s are 6. Okay, then 2 5s are 10. Now this number, it have 5 in the end, so it is divisible by 5. So 5 7s are 35. Now 7 ones are 7. Okay, so these are the factors of 140. Now in the same way we will factorize 170. So we will start by 2. So 2 you will write here. Now 2 8s are 16. Then 2 5s are 10. Okay, now see, this is divisible by 5. Okay, now 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35. Now 17 ones are 17. Okay, now you will find out the factors of 30. So we will start from 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now 3 5s are 15. Then 5 ones are 5. Now you will write the factors in this form. 140, all the factors you will write here. All these are the factors. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. Then the factors of 170. So 170, it is equals to 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 17. 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 17. Now in the same way you will write the factors of 30. So 30, it is equals to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So this was the second step. Now in the third step you have to take the prime factors that are common to all the three numbers. Now you have to find out the factors which are common in all this. So see, 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. It means 2 is common in all these. Now 5 is here, 5 is here and 5 is here. So this 2 and 5 is common. So you will write here the common factors 2 and 5. Now in the third step you have to find the product of the common factors. So the product of the common factor, that is 2 multiply by 5, it is equals to 10. It means the SCF, highest common factor, it is equals to 10. So in this way you have to find out the SCF by using prime factorization method. So now we will start the exercise 6.2, which is based on this